Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video, we will use the prediction of the EfficientNet model in the same image of our lion. So in this video, I will just show you how to use the model of EfficientNet. I will just copy paste the same script that I made last time, and I will just change the pre-trained model, the pre-processing, and also the decode that it will use. And we will see at the end if it got the same result by using the same database of ImageNet. Okay, so here I will change for EfficientNet B0. Here it would just be EfficientNet, and also here it will be EfficientNet for the text image. So for BobbyNet B3 we got a 10%, I think, for the detection of a lion by using the same database. No, 30%, sorry. And now we will use the EfficientNet and we will see how much we can get. Just follow me for this series of vision with AI. I will make many videos by using many models. It will be interesting. Yeah, here you can see that we are at 83% of prediction. Yeah, this is a good model. This one is good. So thank you guys for following me. Just subscribe, like, and put comments below the video, and see you next time. Wassalamu alaikum.